through really quickly the Senior Enrichment Project website. Let me just go to it. So here's the homepage. You have a homepage, you have a campus link, you have a students link. You can go to the campuses. Here's the campuses page. These two, they do both the same thing. So once you're on the campuses page, you can see I have all these campuses right now. They're currently in the database. Everything's fine. I only have one that I added an image URL. I can remove a campus. I can add one back really just fine. As you can see, it gets removed from the database. Once I add it back, new campus. Let's just see Terra image. Let me just see if I find an image URL while in the meanwhile. So I have this campus page. I can add image URL. I can go to the Titan page. Currently it has no image, so the image showing is empty. I can select all the students I have and just add them, right? Or I can remove them just like that. I can edit the info. Titan, new Titan name. I can change the name of the campus. Let's see, I have my students. I can just add a student. Once I click add a student, a form pops up. Abrar at 2.com. Assign him a campus. While I'm adding a new student, I can remove one pretty easily, same way. I can go to a single student page. I have his info, I have his little ID. I can edit it. I can edit his name or his email or his campus just like that. I can go straight to his campus. Takes me to his assigned campus. So that's basically it. I can show you the all my components. There's my campuses component. I have all these thunks right here. Not the process. I use Redux in most of them. Homepage is simple. Of my nav bar. Root, single campus, student, single student. And the root file is connected to the main file. And then here's all the reduced. I just put everything in one file. I have 5 action types: set campuses, fetch students, fetch campus students, set curse campus, set curse student. These are all my action creators. Then I have all my thunks. The one thing, and then I could open up my roots to the side, just show you how they're linked. The one thing I did was I had an extra root. What I did was I have one thunk for editing my current student, which no, sorry, where is it? Edit student, add student. Yeah, so I have this one that goes to edit student, and it goes to this put request, which is right here, and this will edit it. It takes in a student ID, a campus ID, and a delete ID. And I added that delete ID so I could pass it down here. But then I also made an extra route called students edit, which is just for this page, which is just for editing the current student. Yeah, because what I use this route for, the where is it? This edit student one was just to edit the student on the campuses, which is right here, which you can add or remove a student. It'll give pass it, and then I have to pass in delete ID and the campus ID, which are the same stuff, but when I'm removing the student, edit ID should be passed down as null. Here I can open up right here. Campuses. No, it's a single campus. Yeah. So down here I passed in the student ID as campus ID as null. That way when it comes down over here, this becomes null, so it doesn't pass over here. But then I pass in the campus ID again twice, so I had access to it down here. And so yeah, that's basically it. I have all the routes. I can show the models, campus, name and image, student, name and email, student that belongs to, campus has many students. Yeah, everything else is working fine here. Let me just add random campus. Let me just get an image of something. Copy image address over here and campus. Okay, I probably have some validation error because a lot of times what happens is this doesn't end up registering as a URL in my validation on the model for some reason. I didn't know how to fix that, so I just kept testing around. With some URLs would work, some image URLs work, some don't. Let me just see if I can find one, and then I'll just close this up. Copy image address. See, I'm getting this huge URL. It's not worth. It's too long. Open image in new tab. Yeah, this one hopefully works. Computer's being funny. Okay, there you go. I go to it. As you can see, that image is there. It's kind of small because I picked a really bad logo. But yeah, that's basically it. I got all the functionality down and everything else is just working fine. Thank you.